I get excited to bring people just to look at the awe in their eyes. There are many people who are from the Midwest or from the South or from the West, and they have many beautiful scenes, but they don't have the fall colors like we have here in New England. We're starting one of the most beautiful scenic foliage drives in America. Everyone here calls it the Kank, but its real name is the Kancamagus. It's named for an Indian chief from the 17th century. It's 34 miles. It was kind of built during the Depression, the Conservation Corps, and it's only been paved since the 1960s. You're going to see no stores, there's going to be no food, there's going to be no gas stations. It's simply a road cut through the mountains, and it's foliage all around. So there are a lot of cars parked up here.
Wow, look at this. This has got to be a fake backdrop.
No, this is why people come on this road, because 34 miles, it could take them 3 hours because they just want to pull over and look. One thing about this drive is there's no distractions except color. A lot of the other beautiful roads, but then you have stores and you have shops and you have restaurants and so on. There's nothing here but scenery. This is the scenery road. People know that it's fleeting. You can't just come any day of the week, any month of the year. You're here for a short time. You could even say it's a microcosm of life. It's like a little love affair with nature. It's a blistering first blush of love, and you don't ever want it to go away, but 3 weeks later it's gone. When we had our 75th anniversary issue, that was our cover. That is New England.
When you think of fall foliage, probably the most iconic is the maple leaf.
The maple leaf can go red, it can go yellow, it can go vermilion. It has like many different shades. This color was there all along, but chlorophyll, which the trees need to kind of stay alive, is green, and it covers it up, and you can't see those colors. But when the chlorophyll stops because of cold nights, lack of sunlight, the color comes back. It's like magic.
It's funny, as a kid, you'd take these leaves and you'd put wax and an iron over it, and then you'd sort of save them in a book.
Save them forever.
I'd like to think I saved it forever, but I think my mother at some point did throw these things away, like most mothers.
Well, this little maple leaf, if you want to take it home for your kids, it's okay with me.
Thank you so much for bringing me on this. I think that we take highways or roads to get to a place, but it's really refreshing to see when that is the destination.
I'm going to give you my one best piece of advice if you come back, all right? Which is simply get lost, but carry a good map.